Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to talk about AMP crypto. To see if this cryptocurrency is going to do a breakout, we did a price prediction in AMP not so long ago, maybe the 21st of January, and the market hasn't gone lower. We can see the restriction that the buyers have given to the sellers, that price has been unable to go lower. So we might need to change our price prediction here and actually look for AMP to go higher. But before I do, make sure you guys hit that like, share, and subscribe for more of this information, and also understanding of seeing and viewing the price action in a very simple way. So now, here it is right now. This has been the price progression of AMP since we did our price prediction on the 21st. You guys can see that those buyers came through right here on the 23rd of January and held that pocket of buying. So that tells us the buyers are still there. As long as those buyers remain there, price in AMP will not go down. It's just that simple. And we got that confirmation right there on the 23rd. Now, not only did we get the confirmation of the buyers there in that pocket, we also got confirmation of sellers here at this sell pocket that we created. The sellers are still there too. So we will see price in AMP continue to gyrate up and down in between these pockets until one of these sides give up. They leave, they run out of money, they run out of stock, or I'm sorry, not stock, but cryptocurrency to sell into the market. Which one do you think is going to give up first? Hopefully the chart will give us an answer about that. Let's take a look at AMP real quick on the 2. So here is AMP on the 2-day chart. We have 7 hours and 11 minutes left, and currently I think the buyers have a bigger edge than the sellers right now, because the time that sellers should have taken control of price, which is right here, they didn't do it. They didn't capitalize off of this weakness that occurred on this 2-day price bar. They had an opportunity to do it on this 2-day price bar, and I'm talking about the sellers. But as you can see on this current 2-day bar, they're still not doing it. The buyers are staging and being very relentless in not letting those sellers control the price. Now let's look at AMP on the 3. You can see it here too as well on the 3. Take a look at AMP on the 4. Okay. We needed to see price in AMP right there, that 4-day bar. The outcome should have been prices going down. Here we are, what, 6 days in, 7 days into price action since that bar was completed, and the market is not going down. So again, that's giving us another clue that apparently the buyers wanted more. Okay, they wanted more. And if they wanted more, then guess what? We might be sitting on the wrong side of the market. We might need to come through and anticipate higher prices in AMP. So that's what I'm thinking right now. Here it is on the weekly chart, 7 hours, 10 minutes. We're still seeing that the demand is coming in AMP. The selling that occurred here in AMP on the prior week is not having any impact. So let's go ahead and get rid of this price prediction that we got on our chart now. Okay, so if we were to get out now, we will be down 6.6%. Okay, now we're going to create another prediction since we have a higher probability of seeing buyers controlling the price in AMP. We're going to look for the market to go higher. Now, here are the targets though. We already know that sellers are still confirming in this pocket. So our first target would be at the low of this pocket of selling, which is around 6.08%. Our next target will be at the high of that pocket, which is around 11.15%. And I'm just going to do it from that particular standpoint right now. I'm not going to extend it any further because I really want us to see the buyers eliminate these sellers out that range, out that pocket. So they haven't done it yet. So we're just going to continue to look for market to pretty much trade within the trading range. Okay. So that is it. I am done. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.